All right, let's talk about something that's probably in your kid's pocket right now. Yep, their phone. If you're a parent or a teacher, you know exactly how much of a double-edged sword these things are. On one hand, cell phones keep us connected. On the other, well, they're basically tiny distraction machines. So here's what's going down in Virginia. The state is making cell phone use in schools a top priority, like actually putting it under the microscope. Why? Because there's a growing pile of evidence that says unfettered phone access might not be helping our kids learn. In fact, it could be getting in the way, big time. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't this just the same old debate, kids and their gadgets? But Virginia's taking a fresh approach. Instead of just saying phones bad, ban them all, they're diving into the nuance. The state is rolling out new guidelines that encourage each school district to figure out what actually works for their students. It's not a one-size-fits-all deal. Some schools are going stricter, collecting phones at the start of the day. Others are being more flexible, allowing phones for specific lessons or emergencies. But here's what's wild. Researchers are finding that constant phone use isn't just a classroom issue. It's linked to mental health too. Anxiety, bullying, sleep problems, the works. That's why Governor Glenn Youngkin and the Virginia Department of Education are stepping in. They're pushing for new policies to help students stay focused and cut down on those negative side effects. Now, does this mean you should worry? Well, I wouldn't say panic, but it's worth paying attention. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about test scores or TikTok. It's about helping kids build real-life skills, like focusing, socializing, and, surviving a math class without scrolling Instagram every 2 minutes. If you're a parent, talk to your school. Ask what their phone policy is and how they're keeping kids engaged. If you're a teacher, share what you're seeing in your classroom. The more honest conversations we have, the more we can shape policies that actually work for kids, not just adults. Bottom line, Virginia's not banning phones overnight, but they are hitting pause and asking, is this helping our kids or hurting them? And honestly, that's a question we should all be asking, no matter where we live. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and maybe check your own screen time today. See you next time.